Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine, watching the videos. Today I am going to make simple Lao Bhaja. This is pumpkin, white pumpkin. With this I am going to make Bhujiya, dry Bhujiya, which is very tasty to eat. I hope you all will like it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, comment, share. So come on, I'm going to start the recipe. With this I'm going to make the bhujiya. This is Lao Bhaja. Put some mustard oil. This Lao Bhaja is very simple. I've taken some jeera. This I will put in. Taken some dry red chilies. This also I will put in. Now I will put the white pumpkin, the lao. Today I am making the lao plain. You all can make it with chana dal, with chingri fish, lao chingri. You can make dal kaddu. You can make chana dal and white pumpkin curry. But today I am making it plain. Put the salt, put some turmeric powder, cover it up and let it cook dry. This will cook in its own water. I will not put any water. So I will cover it up now. You can see the pumpkin is leaving water. Such a lot of water is coming out. This will dry up fully. This will cook now. I have made chapatis also. Chapatis I made hot to eat with the Lao Bhaja. It will be a healthy breakfast also. The Lao Bhaja is ready. White pumpkin bhujiya is ready. Thank you for watching my video.